tutorial, we'll learn the piano accompaniment of Milk and Cookies by Super Simple Songs. Here's middle C for reference, and the song is in the key of D major. The song starts with D major chord, with D octaves on the left, and A, D, and F sharp on the right. The next chord is B7, with B on the left, and A, D sharp, and F sharp on the right. Next is E minor 7, with E on the left, and G, B, D, and G on the right. Then we have A7, with A on the left, and A, C sharp, E, and G on the right. Let's play that with timing. D major, B7, E minor 7, and A7. Then we repeat those 4 chords again. Next is F sharp minor 7, with F on the left, and A, C sharp, E, and A on the right. Then we have B7, which we had learned earlier. Next we have E minor 7. Then we have A over G with A on the left, and G, B, and D on the right. Finally we have A major with A on the left, and A, C sharp, and E on the right. So with the lyrics, we have this. Milk and cookies, leave them by the Christmas tree. I bet Santa will be hungry when he gets here. He's traveled such a long way to bring presents for Christmas Day. Milk and cookies by the Christmas tree for Santa. Then we have this next section, and we start with D major chord, but we'll play D differently with D on the left, and F sharp, A, and D on the right. Then we'll just move our highest note from D to C sharp to give us our D major 7 chord. Then the next chord is B minor over D, with D still on the left, and F sharp and B on the right. Then back to D major 7. So we'll play D major 7, B minor over D, D major 7, and we'll repeat those 4 chords again. Then we have E minor with E on the left, and G, B, and E on the right. Next is E minor 7, C sharp diminished over E minor 7 again. So again, that's E minor 7, C sharp diminished over E minor 7, and we'll repeat those 4 chords again. Let's play that whole section with lyrics. Before we go to bed, before we go to sleep, we leave milk and cookies by the tree. Before we go to bed, before we go to sleep, we leave milk and cookies by the tree. And you can